Hello, my inky pen friends. You've probably seen that I'm wearing the same thing. It's because I'm doing a slew of videos, and yes, I am looking at myself in the screen. Oh, I should have done something with my hair. It's so flat and dead today. Anyway, that's okay. That's just the way it is. You're gonna have to deal with it. This is what happens when I do nothing. Hello, welcome to this video. I am Aziza, Gourmet Pens. You probably know that already. Today, I'm gonna be showing you a new pen wrap. I picked this pen wrap up at the Scriptus Toronto writing show last weekend. Well, it was last weekend for me, but by the time this goes up, it might be a couple weeks. And as you know, I'm obsessed with my Yenderings Sugar Beach pen wrap. This is full. It is always full. Right now it's jam-packed, and I love it. What happened is, Yen has released the new rolls. So this is the new one. This is the new six pen roll. This is called Blind Valentine, but more realistically should be known as unicorn poop, but it looks like food. And if you name anything after food, I'm probably gonna buy it because I'm obsessed with food. Lovely, darker color scheme than the Sugar Beach. So if you like the Sugar Beach, but you were like, too bright for me, then you have another option. I think they look really good together, but let me tell you a little bit about this. This is the Toronto AM03, otherwise known as YYZ AM03, airport code. It is a roll for 6 pens, Blind Valentine. It is $70, not bad. And if you use the code Gourmet10, you get 10% off. It's not a commission or anything, it's just a referral, and it's an awesome wrap, which I wholeheartedly endorse. Also, I love Yen, so it's like, maybe I'm biased, but that's fine, whatever. Now, let me give you some details about it. Again, holds up to the Mont Blanc 149 Sailor King of pen size, so like they're pretty big slots, and they're not stretchy, but because it's fabric, it will give a little bit, so you can put something bigger in there, or you could stuff it with like, you know, multiple pens, like as I have done. I know people frown upon that. This is a Namiki Yukari Royale, and it fits in here with absolute ease, even though it is a larger pen. It doesn't hold really large pencils like the Blackwings unless you have sharpened down, just so you know. It has lilac gray linen with chenille accents. So you got the lilac gray, you got your chenille accents, and it has raisin trim. I hate raisins, so I don't know. I should have told her to call it grape, but it's super cute. And berry with ultra suede, berry ultra suede lining. Very soft on the pens, very delicate for your pens. So like if you have urushi or makie and stuff, it's nice to put in here because it's okay. And polka dot linen for the pockets. Now, Yen makes these by hand, and her work is fantastic. So yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to say about that other than I love them because I have my Sugar Beach. I'm obsessed with my Sugar Beach. Now, there's also a little pocket at the back, so you could put your phone in. Like, this is really great for pen shows. You could put your phone, you could put a small, like a notebook. Another thing that I have done before with my Sugar Beach is I have put my Hobonichi in there. You know, like, this is the Weeks, by the way, not the big one. So it has a lot of potential for usage. Now, let me just show you. I'm just gonna stick some large pens. I'm putting a Pelikan M1000 in here, a Sailor King of Pen, a Platinum Makie. So here it is, full. Now the thing is, all your pens are super protected. They're not gonna jam up against each other. The clips aren't going to scratch each other. And when you fold it, you could do it light, like loosely, or you could do it tight, whatever you want. And it's easy to hold in one hand. So, amazing. Now, I like these a lot. I also use the Superior Labor wraps and the Galen Leather 2 wrap. So here's one of the Superior Labor wraps. But it's very clear that these pockets are quite large. And if you take this out with you and you drop this, your pens are gonna fall out. Your wrap like this, the pens aren't gonna fall out. And if you do drop them, it has a bit of padding to it so it can cushion their fall. This sounds stupid, but trust me, these are important things. So the design is really nice because like I could do this. If I did this with the other wrap, everything will fall out. But I mean, these are safe. So yeah, the pen is in here, don't worry. It's this one. It's just really low. So it's nice and secure. I really like that. And when you're carrying it, once you have this flap curled down and it's folded, nothing's gonna fall out. So it's very safe, very secure. And I mean, like, aside from the cute factor of it, I think $70 is really not that bad. It's handmade. Yan goes and shops for this fabric. Like, this isn't stuff that she just like orders randomly and stuff. Like, she goes and she has a plan. She knows, like, she has a story. She finds things. The wrap has a history behind it, like a story behind it. So there's a lot of thought going into these. And at the end of the day, you're supporting a maker. That's great. And without stuff like this, we lose options in the pen world. We lose options for accessories and stuff like that. So maybe this one doesn't appeal to you, like maybe something else she makes does, but I just wanted to share it with you because I love it. I'm obsessed with my Sugar Beach, and this one's obviously going to fall in place with it. And I'm a huge fan of Yan, and she's really sweet, really supportive. So I wanted to share it with you, like how much I love mine, so that you can check it out too. And it's adorable. So let me just show you both again. Sugar Beach is sold out, so she only has a limited run of each, and like of each wrap that she makes. So if you want one, I would jump on it and get it. Great gift, excellent Christmas gift, fantastic for like Secret Santa, birthdays, like all that kind of stuff. I just really like it. So there you go. I wanted to share it with you. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you do get one, let me know, because it's really exciting to hear when someone gets the same thing that I'm obsessed with, and like that you love it as much as I do. So let me know, and I will include links to where you can buy this. You can check out Yan, and I'll include all that stuff for you to look at. There you go. So let's wrap that up. You see what I did there? Or should I have been roll it up? Let's roll this up. And that's everything. Thank you for watching. And go check out Yenderings. And you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon as Gourmet Pens. I am going to zip this beak now so you can go shopping. We will see you for the next video, which I'm going to do right now because it's the other Yenderings thing I want to show you. Okay, bye!